Words cannot describe how steep that was. I'm definitely out of shape. Beautiful view.
The thing about that bike is my dad fixed it because the front spring was leaking. So he just put 2 rods in it and now it's stiff, but you can see on my arms, like I'm just bouncing away.
So fast. Oh, fucking. We'll see. This is Pete.
Hello, this is Pete.
And
I had an accident today, and Marvin was a very great help. I'm so glad that he was with me. Because when he wasn't there, I don't know.
Always afraid of heights.
I cannot begin to describe how steep this is. From the church, there was a road that went all the way to the left and then under the highway all the way to the right, which was about 10 kilometers to home. So 2 hours of walking, proper pace walking. I saw on Street View that there was like a split road. The road sort of stopped at the edge of the farmer's house, which I thought, an abandoned house, maybe he hasn't used it for a while, but the road is still there. The road was definitely not there. I just went through maybe 2 kilometers of thorn bushes. Long story short, I'll show you the results. Some cuts go pretty deep. One at my ankle is really deep as well. I've gone through hell for the past 2 hours. joined here with a friend of mine.
Hello.
Today we're gonna attempt to go as far up as you can on Mount Etna. Some guide told us you're not allowed to go up to a certain point without a guide. Well, we think that's a bit of a sales pitch. So we're just gonna try to go as far up as we can. Okay, watch where I'm going. Well, we've reached the foot of Etna. We're not gonna go any higher. We're not complete morons. The sun is going down, so we need to mind that as well. We're going back down. Cold is starting to kick in, but it has been an amazing day. Okay, ciao guys, I'll see you a bit down. I already went one time, but I just had to climb up and do it again. This is really fun.
I wouldn't say that this is a hard subject to talk about. It's quite a while ago. Like that day, because you've already climbed Etna once, or hiked up Etna, you sort of get cocky, I guess. And you can already see, like, we were sliding down the mountain and just, well, having fun, but careless fun. We were sort of careful, judging where to walk and whatnot. But when the day goes on, you start to get more tired, and as soon as you get more tired, you start lacking concentration. And yeah, sun was going down. It was nearing 4 o'clock. We had to get back to the lift that brings you down at 4 o'clock. So we decided to walk on a crater that's nearby. And it was absolutely beautiful, all covered in snow. That's why the picture was taken. But because the sun was going down, the snow was turning into ice. And it didn't compute in my head that it was turning into ice. So we were walking on the crater and looking for a way down. And when I was looking for a way down, the ground sort of started crumbling away underneath me. And even when the ground was crumbling away, I still thought that I could sort of get away with it. And I couldn't. I just started sliding, and it's gonna sound weird, but it's sort of a soothing thought that I now know that when your body enters that sort of state, you're no longer alone. I just felt like I was lifted out, and then something just took over and said, you know what, just let me hold the wheel. My friend has this picture where you can see a little cabin, and I sort of ended up next to the cabin. And then you can see where I started from. And still to this day, that distance doesn't make sense. I cannot understand how you can fall that long and not come out unscathed, but not even a broken bone. It amazes me. I couldn't have gotten off the mountain without friends, and I do think that is one of the lessons that I took away from the whole trip, is that even though you can do so much on your own and you can discover so much on your own, in my mind, it's always just better to have a friend around to share that story with. If you don't have anybody to share it with, then I don't know, did it really happen?